So in order to test this model, okay, we will go and do the same thing. Standardized estimates, modification indices, test for normality and outliers. We have all these constructs together, okay, and we will run this model. Yes, we have not specified the data file, so we will specify the data file, which is data sem.sav. So we specify the data file and we press OK, and then we run the analysis. Now you see what we have got. We have got the fit of our model. Okay, let us look at the fit. The fit of the model is 251 and the degrees of freedom are 159. Okay, the relative chi-square is 1.582. It is less than 3. GFI is 0.96, CFI is 0.98, and RMSEA is 0.03. But still you will see that our p-value is coming out to be less than 0.05. Now, this is the point where I am not going to make any further changes. The design approach that I follow in my research and in my practice is that I try to make my individual measurement models fine. Once the measurement models are okay, and the overall measurement model usually comes out to be good. At least the alternate fit indices show very good fit with the data. So here, even though the chi-square test is giving me a p-value of less than 0.05, I am not going to make any further changes at this time. I'm just going to go ahead and report my model fit. I'm going to report all these indices, chi-square, DF, P, chi-square by DF, GFI, CFI, and RMSEA, and report in my paper that all the fit indices, alternate fit indices, are showing excellent fit with the data, and hence I'm going to go ahead and work with it.
Sir?
Yes. So we have seen the model fit is
How much is the
fine. Yeah.
how much is